Ever struggled with typing fractions in Canva and ended up with awkward, unprofessional looking numbers? Don't worry, there's a simple solution that will make your designs look clean and precise. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to type fractions in Canva in just a few easy steps. First, open your Canva design and head over to the app section. Here, search for the Equations Beta app. This is Canva's built-in tool for creating formatted mathematical expressions. Once you open it, you'll see a simple editor where you can type fractions, exponents, and other math symbols without any hassle. To create a fraction, click on the fraction icon or type your numbers using the editor. For example, entering 1/2 automatically converts it into a properly formatted fraction that looks neat and professional. You can then adjust the size, color, and position just like any other text element in Canva. This method is much more reliable than trying to use slashes or superscripts manually, which often look messy or uneven. Once you've added your fraction, you can copy it anywhere in your design or continue building equations and other math expressions seamlessly. It's straightforward, saves time, and gives your work that polished professional look every time. So whether you're designing educational materials, presentations, or social media posts, this tip will make your fractions look perfect and completely stress-free. Try it out and you'll wonder why you ever did it the old way. If this trick helped you, give it a shot in your next Canva project and watch your designs instantly improve.